Good day, Lamidi here from justvideomarketing.com. In today's short video, I want to show you how to add a subscribe button to any of your YouTube videos. I get this asked a lot, so I'm just going to shoot this short demonstration of how to do it. So the first thing we want to do is log into the channel. So you can just log into your channel that you want to add the subscribe button to. So in this case, I'm just going to go to one of my channels. And as soon as you log in, what you want to do is click on either your logo whatsoever on the top right hand side, and then go to your channel.
Hi, my name is Lamidi.
And once you log into your channel, you want to click on Customize Channel. And once you get here, you see Channel Customizations. You've got 3 headings, and then one you want to click on is Branding. And yes, you can just scroll down, and where it says the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. That's the one you want. So the next thing you want to do is go to Google and just get a image 150 by 150. So if I go to Google, subscribe button, 150 to 150. So I've chosen this one, which is this one right here. So you can either visit. Let's see if it's there. So I can just screenshot this little one here. I think it's 150 by 150. Actually, you can use any of these ones here. Free YouTube subscribe button PNGs for YouTube branding watermark. So you can use any of these ones. So let's choose one. Let's just choose this one right here. So what I'm going to do is just screenshot this little image. Actually, I'm just going to save it. Save as. I'm just going to call it subscribe button 150 by 150. So we've got the subscribe button. So we now go back to our channel. I'll leave this this URL so you can choose any of the ones you want for your channel. Actually, instead of using the red, why don't we just use the blue, because the blue seems to fit my channel more. So let's go for the blue. So just save that, and then let's go back to our channel. And as you can see, we're just going to upload, and just choose that button right there. As you can see, we've got the right size. We'll just do done. And so the watermark can appear in any of these places that you want. End of the video. You could have a custom start time if you want, or you can let it just appear on the entire video. So I'm just going to let it appear on the entire video, and then I'll just do publish. And from now on, if you go to my channel, and let's just check out one of our videos to see if it's there. As you can see the subscribe button right there. Easy does it. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm shooting videos every other day to show you how to build your online business with video. So subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the notification button so that you can get reminders anytime I shoot these videos. Thank you, and have a good day.